In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link inside a Salesforce record dashboard editor. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Salesforce dashboard editor. Make sure you're on the record dashboard or editor pane where you want to make the update. If you're already logged in, that's great. If not, just enter your credentials and wait for the page to fully load before moving on. Giving the editor a moment to finish loading can help prevent formatting tools from appearing slowly or not responding right away. Once you're inside the editor, click into any rich text field canvas area where you want the link to appear. If you don't already have a suitable text area available, you can create a new custom URL data field type instead. The key here is to be working in a place that supports link insertion, so make sure your cursor is active in the correct field before continuing. Next, find the exact word or phrase you want people to click. This is the anchor text, meaning the visible text that will become the link. Highlight that specific word or phrase carefully. It's a good idea to choose text that clearly tells the viewer where the link will go, so the final result feels intuitive and user-friendly. After the text is highlighted, look at the rich text formatting toolbar and click the link chain icon. This is the standard tool used to turn selected text into a clickable hyperlink. When you click it, a dialog box or small panel should open on the screen. Now paste the destination web address into the URL field inside that dialog. Double-check the link before saving, especially if you copied it from another source. A clean, correct URL helps avoid broken links and makes sure users are taken to the right page the first time they click. Finally, click Save to apply the link. At this point, your selected text should now function as a clickable navigation link within the Salesforce editor. If you want to confirm it worked, you can click on the linked text or preview the record dashboard, depending on your editing view. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable link to a Salesforce rich text area or URL enabled field. This is a simple but useful way to improve navigation and make important resources easier for users to access directly from the dashboard.